But the first part of that song, My Leader Barnia, was all about the color of Eddie Siaga and the fact that he never Barnia.
Liar tell mouthpiece. Liar tell. The song says My Leader Barnia. B-O-R-N. It said nothing about color. It did not say my leader was a white man or a black man or a Chinaman. Remember that Siaga was white. Remember that Michael Manley was white. Bustamante was white. Ushera was white. So it was nothing about color. It was about being born here as a Jamaican. You need to stop twist the story and stop walk and propaganda and mix up. You tell the truth, you tell the truth. You need to stop it. You need to stop it, my brothers and subscribers. I want to know if you hit the like button and share this with a family and friend, because we are going to open a big discussion over this. Hit the like button and share this with everybody where you know the song says My Leader Barnia. A two white man, it never said nothing about color or anything. You need to stop spin stories. Listen to this and then we are going to talk again. Hit the like button, listen to him.
So listen to it carefully. So I am frankly surprised that a man like Albert, 77, didn't realize. Yeah? This is how it started. It never started before in Jamaica. Prior to this. And I want the people online, you can call me and tell me if I'm talking rubbish. Yeah? It started after Siaga became leader of the Labour Party in 74, having succeeded Hugh Shearer. Yeah? They never threw this at Buster. We never threw it at Norman Manley. Yeah? We threw it at Edward Siaga. And that is what is coming back to bite the PNP and Mark Golding today.
My leader Barnia. My leader Barnia.
My viewers and subscribers, when you listen to the song where say My Leader Barnia, does it say anything about race? Does it say anything about race, whether you're black or white? Let me ask you a question. Suppose it was a man from Africa or Zimbabwe then. Talk the truth now. Wouldn't we still say that My Leader Barnia? Talk the truth now. Eddie Siaga never born at Jamaica. If it was another man from Africa or another country and in black said we, wouldn't we still say that My Leader no Barnia? Mouthpiece, you need to stop it. You tell the truth, then you tell the lie. Then you tell the truth, then you tell the lie. Then you tell the truth, then you tell the lie. My brother subscribers, tell me if I lie, me I tell. Or tell him say I lie, I tell you. Hear him say? When you call him or type in the comments, well, me I beg you, type in the comments and tell me if a true or a lie him I tell. When you hit the like button and share this with everybody where you know and make we have a big discussion over it. Listen to the full clip and make we talk after.
He fought the December 76 elections and won. Yeah? Earlier iteration of land lease, of the Pride program, where communities in all across Jamaica, you got long-term 100-year lease, 50-year lease to give the people access to the land. Maternity leave for women. Equal pay for women and men. Those were massive social reforms on which the PNP fought the December 76 elections and won.
So help me God, I not live, yeah. No, I not live, yeah. Me a sat down with discipline and a heavy manners. Me in a the struggle too. Me in a the struggle too. No bastard, no day again. No bastard, no day again. Everyone laugh full. Oh,
know what was the impact program? That is what we called, some of you may hear, the crash program. That was the program that the Manley administration of 72, when it came to office, the very poor, especially the urban poor, were experiencing high levels of unemployment, plus lack of skills, employable, marketable skills. We had a massive unemployment problem across urban Jamaica. And the government decided that it wanted to offer some short-term, medium-term source of income for these people. And it provided it named it the Impact Program. It was later popularized as a crash program, where you would see hordes of women and men doing very labor-intensive, low-skilled cleaning, bushing, across the country. And I know this program very well. My mother was a crash program worker. And I know it very well because they were paid $25 a week. Yes, Kevin, $25 a week. That was 1974. Yes? And I would collect that $25. And we could go to a supermarket at the corner of Lucas Road and Windward Road. Yeah? And it would provide living. We were able to buy food and go to school. And it would stretch up until about Wednesday, Thursday. And you hustle to make sure you get to that paycheck. Yeah? So, time for the break.
So my viewers and subscribers gonna say, oh, I'm hypocrite. If you think him a hypocrite type hypocrite, you hear him a talk about the good programs that Michael Manley put in. You hear him a talk about the impact program, where people known as the crash program, where Michael Manley bring in, where helping so many Jamaicans. And you hear him go as far as say that his mother was a crash program worker. Anybody else was a crash program worker? Type yes in the comment. Type in the comment if you was a crash program worker or your parents were a crash program worker. And you hear him go as far as say that people used to get $25 for the week. You say him remember the amount? Say him used to collect it for your mother. But most importantly, he said the money used to stretch. People could have buy goods, go to supermarket, pay your bills, eat food, and no stress and worry. And the Michael Manley listening up because them a go on like say Michael Manley do this and not do that and not do that. You know, a hypocrite. Him we switch no one attack for the JLP. It is very good. That's why I'm have to say go to the break. That's why I did have to say yes, go to the break. You hear him? Go to the break. You did have to go to the break, sir, because you know that you're doing a disservice to the PNP. After all that you said the PNP do for you, and you said the PNP do for your mother and do for everything, how come you they are doing in a PNP back like chink and ticks in a them skin and attack for wicked Anjo? Anjo do what Michael Manley do? You are a hypocrite. You are talking about my leader Banya have to do with color. It have nothing to do with color or race. It was the mere fact that the people were saying that Michael Manley, their leader Banya, and Siaga never Banya. It had nothing to do with race or color. And now that long-tongue Warmington, and you know that Warmington out order, turn pa Mark Golden born a white man not for rule, a white man for go back where him come from. Him out of order. Michael Manley never white. Bustamante never white. You Shearer never white. Siaga never white. So you know I go come attack say oh PNP is getting what they did to Siago. A rubbish attack. I'm tell you say you're a hypocrite because you see, you just talk a while ago and say oh PNP policies benefit you students on the hear him. When you hear him, viewers and subscribers, oh him have to admit the PNP policies and the Michael Manley did that work till it benefit all hypocrite like him. It benefit hypocrite like Devon because Devon was able to go to school under PNP. Mother was able to get house under NHT where Michael Manley create. Me all Devon Pupa must get house to I don't know how true it be. So it was obvious the Michael Manley programs were working, my viewers and subscribers. And it is a hypocritical move. It's a mouthpiece attack so bad against the PNP. And every day him live for the JLP. All when him know say JLP a tell lie, him live for them and run with the lie. You see the look on him face? Look on him face. As you look on him face, you know say him is one mouthpiece. But remember say him only attack for him bread. Him now the journalist work again, you know. I'm bread him attack for. Remember me I tell you that. Right now, a dollars over substance for him. So if the JLP talk foolish, it's because how can you talk and say that the song was say my father Banya was a song about color and race? You know, sir, hypocrite attack. The song say my father Banya. Siaga never Banya, and that was the case. So Mark Golden Banya, and that is what matter. Michael Manley Banya, the whole of them Banya. I would have a problem with Una Banya, and I not we're just setting the record straight because we live in a country where people in Banya and them come here and they do very well for the country. Them start a family, they pay the taxes, they contribute to society, to communities, to the GDP. You know, they are well-behaved citizens, good, decent citizens. But a people like Unowe have sense. Me have a problem with it in Jamaica. You know, people like Unowe have sense when know the right thing and end up talk all kind of foolishness. You need to stop it, and you need to come out, and you need to tell the people themselves, listen, you were wrong. Because when the song said my father Banya and my leader Banya, it had nothing to do with color because Michael Manley was white, Siaga was white. So at that point in time when the song come out, it could never be about Siago color because Michael Manley and Siago have same color. Michael Manley and Siago have said color. It was about who was born here. You need to stop spreading the propaganda. You need to stop uphold the labor right them. I need to tell them so they need to apologize to Mark Golden about white man. Why are you afraid to talk to Warmington? Why are you afraid to talk to Warmington? Oh, you know want to talk to Warmington. Warmington good and know something about you. Mary, you come out and give him a little brush on his shoulder, but you have to rub him out and tell him a long tongue Juliet, so what them do is wrong. And my video subscribers, it just goes to show say PNP set the trend in Jamaica, you know, because when you hear all hypocrite like him never planned for talk good about PNP, you know. Attack, you know, and I said that PNP started from 1976. And when him draw back on the history of 1976 and him listen to the song, and the song was talking about jut them with Cuban school and jut them with housing and jut them with the impact program, it brought back memories to him, the impact program, to the point where he had to remember and come tell us say mother was a beneficiary of the impact program of the crash program of Michael Manley coming. You see how God stay? God make all your enemies them confess before your face that you were good to them, and them turn around and treat you bad and dish your dirt for the good that you do to them. But God look high and him look low, and remember God ramp rough mouthpiece. So all you attack and a cuss PNP and attack for the Labour Party, you know say PNP is the party that have the Jamaican people them interest at heart. You know that based on the record. If I even your mother, you never say that Labour Party don't know for your mother. You never say Labour Party don't know for your mother. You tell we on the program, we hear it. Say Michael Manley crash program benefit your mother. The tax at $25 your mother used to get and you used to collect it, and it used to buy grocery food now. You used to live good and buy food. But Andrew Holness now, nobody now live good and nobody now buy food. But you come tell the people about Andrew Holness administration and third term. You have to stop it. That's why I say you is a hypocrite. I may ask the people in the committee if you think him is a hypocrite, type yes him is a hypocrite. I want everybody hit the like button and share this with a family and friend and tell me about my reasoning. Am I reasoning with sense? What am I saying? Does it make sense? Am I reasoning along the line of argument where show yourself foolish is him attack? He must say that, oh, PNP started first. And a PNP start talk about color. PNP never start talk about no color in a 1974 to 1976. PNP talk about Ubania. And you know that. And you have flipped the story. So when I say student, if him is a hypocrite type, hypocrite. My video subscribers, the evidence is there and the record is clear that the PNP has done the most for the Jamaican people. The PNP has done the most in housing, healthcare, education, everything. The PNP has done the most for an hypocrite like him know it. And you see, him a cuss the PNP now, but God make in the midst of cussing PNP, him for ball up about PNP goodness. My video subscribers, I saw God expose your enemies right in front of your face.
And it would stretch up until about Wednesday, Thursday. And you hustle to make sure you get to the other paycheck. Yeah? So, time for the break.
Yes, man, time for a break, man, because a foolish is your attack. You hear him? Him say that the money under PNP, the little $25 with the people them with no skill. You hear him because him attack say, oh, people with no skill. The people them with no skill, them get $25 from Michael Manley government. And him admit say him mother used to get it and it stretch. Everybody type stretch. The money used to stretch. And you notice him couldn't even finish him sentence, my viewers and subscribers, because you know him looking at himself say, oh, you know, say, boy, I'm treat PNP bad because PNP really did that help the people, you know. And that him conscience I tell him, you know, if him have one, or if him not sell out him conscience I tell him, say, mouthpiece, you know, say, a PNP do the best for the country. That is why I couldn't finish the statement. My brothers subscribers, remember to hit the like button, share, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to Jamaica a Topic. The man, wicked man.
And it would stretch up until about Wednesday, Thursday. And you hustle to make sure you get to the other paycheck. Yeah? So, time for the break.